What's going on? Welcome back to the Ovens Garage. Today I just wanted to make a quick video on how to replace a headlight switch in a first gen. So the headlight switch in Old Blue is going bad on me. It seems like there's kind of like 1,000 different positions and it doesn't really click into the right spot for your running lights or your headlights the best. So I got a new switch and I'll show you how to replace it. In order to replace it, you have to take out the whole dash bezel. I like to drop the steering column when you take the dash bezel out, so that way it's a little easier. But it's a little bit of a pain to change, but I'll show you how to do it. All right, so you see here with my current headlight switch, when I click it out, there should be two distinct click positions, one for your running lights and then all the way out for your headlights. And here you can see what happens with mine. So that's like two different positions. You can see there's like another position, and that's fully out. So there's what seems like 4 different positions before you're actually on and off. So not the best, but I'll change that out and that'll fix that issue. Okay, now just to show you what I mean on a good headlight switch, this is what you should see. There's one for your running lights and next for your headlights. Very distinct clicks. All right, first thing to do is take off the fuse panel cover. Next thing to do is come up underneath the steering column, take a 7/16 deep socket, and then I like to drop these nuts right to the bottoms of the threads on both sides. That'll give us a bit of an extra room when we go to pull the dash bezel out, just by the steering column. Next, we pull the 5 screws along the top, and then there's 1 screw just above the radio. All right, now as we bring this out, there's the connection for the message center and the 4-wheel drive light. Just pull straight back on the message center and the 4-wheel drive light. Okay, next you're gonna have to pull the knob itself out. New switch, just so you can see, there's a button on the bottom side. Take the switch, put it into the headlight position, press this from the bottom, and then you can pull out the switch. Next, remove this bezel. There's a couple of Phillips head screws. Now take a large Phillips screwdriver and unscrew this part of the switch. Now we can get in behind there, unplug the switch, and replace it with the new one. Now just take note, there's 1 harness down here and then a full plug up here. At this point, I'll test to make sure the running lights and the headlights all work. Okay, I've tested everything and it all works. Now I'll pull back out the knob and reassemble. All right, so that wraps up the headlight switch replacement on Old Blue. Stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching. Cheers.